friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the G-flat major cadence. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play a G-flat major cadence with all the correct notes and fingering. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video and ask you if you find this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. As you may already know, we are going to be building our chord progression based on the first note, the fourth note, and the fifth note of our scale. Our scale is G-flat major, so that means our one chord is going to be G-flat major. Our four chord is going to be C-flat major. And our 5-7 chord, our dominant 7 chord, is going to be D-flat 7. So let's take a look at those notes and fingers in the right hand. So our one chord, G-flat major, is going to be played G-flat, B-flat, D-flat with our 1, 3, 5. Our C-flat major chord is going to be played G-flat, C-flat, E-flat with our 1, 3, 5. And our dominant 7 chord, our D-flat 7 chord, is going to be played F, C-flat, D-flat with our 1, 4, 5. So let's put those three chords in the order of our chord progression, which is going to be 1 chord, 4 chord, back to the 1 chord, 5, 7, and on 1. It's going to look like this. G-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat major, D-flat 7, G-flat major. All right, let's check out the left hand. The left hand uses the same notes, but the fingering is slightly different. And our G-flat major chord in the left hand looks like this. G-flat major, we're going to play G-flat, B-flat, D-flat with our 5, 3, 1. C-flat major is played G-flat, C-flat, E-flat with our 5, 2, 1. And our D-flat 7 chord is played F, C-flat, D-flat with our 5, 2, 1. When we put that all together in the order of our chord progression, it looks like this. G-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat major, D-flat 7, end on G-flat major. All right, the only thing we have left to do is put hands together, and this is our chord progression in the key of G-flat major. Looks like this. G-flat major, C-flat major, G-flat major, D-flat 7, and on G-flat major. So I'd just like to thank you for watching the video today. If you found it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and send those hype points my way too. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.